Hello everyone, I am Jasmine. I am a copywriter and certified content marketing strategist. And today I am going to be sharing with you exactly what I will be doing step by step if I was starting my business all over from scratch, what I will be doing as it relates to the content part of my business so I could grow. So stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Jasmine, copywriter and certified content marketing strategist, helping you get set up for success online through the power of copywriting and content marketing strategies. Let's get to it.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be sharing with you what I would do if I was starting my business today from scratch, what I would start with as it relates to the content and marketing so I could grow my business online and set it up for success. So I'm going to be sharing with you step by step what I would be doing if I was starting all the way over, so you would know and get ideas as far as where you could be starting from and where you could focus on as it relates to content and marketing to, like I said, grow your business and get set up for success online, right? And this is a spontaneous video, so I'm just going to be very candid with you and just share the things that are coming to mind for me, top of mind for me, as it relates to if I was starting all the way over and trying to piece together all the things, right? And so one of the first big projects I will be working on, if I was just starting over from scratch, will be creating a website. And what does that look like? It looks like thinking about my brand story. Like, why am I in business and why am I in this business? Feeling for what connects me to why I'm doing what I'm doing. And also thinking about who I want to service through what I'm doing, right? And so by like I said, making my website my first big project if I was starting from scratch, because one, that's going to empower you to be able to reach a network of people beyond your friends and family. You'll be able to reach people on a global scale. Like, I get clients from all over the world, but if I was starting from scratch, website will be the first thing. It eliminates a lot of the back and forth. If you were trying to just do business without a website, you'll find that a lot of the business will be, you're going to have to spend so much time messaging with people back and forth, and you're going to spend so much time answering the same questions all over again, and you might even be losing out on business if you don't have a website set up, because the people who are wanting to do business with you, they're waiting on you to reply back to them, or they're waiting on you to answer their question. And by the time, who knows, like, if they're doing this, if they're like ready to buy like 2 a.m, and by the time you message them back, they probably already went somewhere else. So if I was starting all the way from scratch, creating a website would be the first thing that I would focus on, the first big project I would focus on. And within the website, I would think about my brand story. Like, that would be the content that I would create, my brand story on like the about page, thinking about, why am I doing what I'm doing, and why am I doing this business? Like, why am I in business? Why am I in this business, right? And then the next part of the big website project that I would focus on would be thinking about my offers. What am I offering? What am I offering? What am I selling, right? And does it have a name? How does the process work? What happens when they click buy now? Think about your process. Think about if you're selling a membership. Think about when they click sign up for the membership, when they click buy now or sign up. Think about what needs to happen on the back end in order to fulfill this order, if that makes sense. So think about your offer. What are you offering? What's the name of it? How the process works. That would be the content that I would create next, right? And then beyond that, I would start thinking about the next type of content that I would focus on creating will be around who my ideal client is. Start thinking about the people that you want to service, the people that you want to do business with, and think about where they are currently, what problems they're having, what unique set of desires they're having, what are their current challenges, their current experiences. Just start thinking along the lines of who your ideal clients are, and some great ways for you to get some intel or see what they are saying about what they're experiencing is to look on Amazon in the review section and of a something in your industry, maybe a book in your industry, and look at the review section on Amazon and find out what they're saying to describe the problems that they're experiencing or the solutions that they're desiring. So just read some reviews of a book in your industry on Amazon to find out what your ideal clients are and what they're experiencing, so you can create content that speaks to them and where they are, right? So that type of content should be on your website, maybe on the sales page or the home page, right? And so once the website is set up, once you created those core things for your website and you have that in place, the next set of content that I will be creating will be content for social media, right? Because it's not enough to have a website. You also have to have content to drive traffic to your website. So if I was starting all the way over from scratch, I would use the same reviews that I was reading on Amazon to reply to those people through a social media post. So if I saw on the review on Amazon that people were complaining about I don't know, like if, for example, in my industry, maybe someone's complaining about how when they go on Fiverr or when they go on those other websites, the content isn't authentic. The content sounds generic, or someone wrote it from whose second language is English. So they, they may be through the reviews, they may be complaining about, basically they want to find their own unique voice, or so something along those lines, whatever. And so I will write a post on social media. I write a series of posts on social media speaking to those types of pains and those types of challenges and those types of desires, and position myself as a solution to those types of pains, problems, and desires, right? And so, yeah, that's what I would do. If I was starting all the way over from scratch, then that's what I would be doing. If I was starting a business from scratch and I wanted to know what type of content I needed to be focusing on primarily so I can grow my business and get set up for success online, this is where I would start. The bare bones minimum, this is where I would start my brand story. I would start with my offer, like what am I offering? I would start with who am I servicing and what unique set of problems they're experiencing, what unique set of desires they're experiencing. And think about also my back end process of my offer, like when they click buy now, how does it work? Thinking about those steps, and also driving traffic to my website through posting on social media and positioning myself, talking to the people who, like I said, I read about them, I researched them, I did some market research. And so I know how they're communicating their problems, and then I will create content on my social media page that talks to them, right? And so hopefully that helps you with knowing where to start and where to focus as it relates to creating content for your business. And if you like these tips, give me a thumbs up. Let me know, comment below. Let me know if you found this to be very helpful, or also share with me, share with me where you are in your journey, and if you got some aha moments from this. And let me know down below. And until then, I just want to wish you well. Go out and make some magic. Now let's get it.